Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was doing my makeup for a video and I decided that I would make a video out of this. So yeah. But I decided to just do like a natural, like everyday makeup look because I don't really feel like putting in any effort. So if you'd like to see that, then just keep watching. First thing we do is eyebrows after primer. So now we're done with the eyebrows, so we're gonna move on to some concealer. It looks crazy. I still powder my face just because that's how I like the look, but you don't have to. Now we're going to do a little bit of bronzing and blush. Now we're just going to do a little bit of mascara, and for the lips I'm just going to put on some lip gloss. Do you see that? Okay, so I'm going to do just a little bit of highlighting because I have this more natural highlighter. This is the finished look. It looks pretty good to me, I think. I hope you all liked the video and the look. If you did like it, then leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe to me and hit the bell icon to get notifications. I'm going to link all my social media below in the description, and I'm going to leave the link to my playlist of all the videos I've made before, just in case you haven't watched them before. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!